Who is really interested in your content? Now let's face it, we're all content producers at some level these days, even if we just post pictures of our kids once a year on Facebook. Everybody's creating content, everybody's creating for eyeballs. What do you have that is unique to you, that's different, that's specific? There was a time when you could just be a general mass publication, the Life magazines of the world, the Time magazines of the world. Time could talk about everything going on in the world, and once a week you would get it in the mail, and there it is talking about the top stories of the day. Well, guess what? Time magazine today is a shell of its former self. It's reduced to something called clause and pause videos online. That's where apparently they get most of their audience. Bears and I don't know, cats rolling around, that's what's getting their eyeballs. I have to tell you, if that is your model for attracting eyeballs, you're not going to be around very long. My advice to you, those of you creating media, creating content, you've got to really figure out what is unique, what is different about you. The problem a Time magazine has in 2017, the year I'm recording this video, is there's simply nothing unique that they can do. People want news analysis, they go right online. They don't need to go to a weekly magazine or even the website of a weekly magazine. You've got to have something unique. It's better to be really narrow and deep than to try to be all things to all people. Short term, yeah, you can put smiley faces or kittens on and maybe attract some audience, but why will those people stay with you? So for example, with what I do with my content, it's very, very narrow. The vast majority of the people in the world are never going to want to watch one of my Facebook videos or YouTube videos on how to be a better public speaker. But for people who are interested in this topic, they like my stuff because they can't get it anyplace else, certainly not on a daily basis. So know your market, know what you're trying to do, dig deep in a way that's meaningful to people. If you want to have an audience in the future and not end up like the Times or the Newsweeks and the Life magazines of the world. I'm TJ Walker. Thanks for watching. If you want more tips on how to be a better communicator, go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com. Download my books for free on how to be a better communicator.